great driving, man.
Check one. Let's turn it down a little bit. Check one. Yeah, sure. If you got an intercom, you can hook up. 7th or 8th? I live right over the hill. You're on camera too, just so you know. Give me a radio check.
Yep, I got you.
Roger, I'm gonna turn you up a little bit. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay.
What's your name?
Eric.
Eric Wes.
Wes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ready to go?
Yes, thank you.
Steven, I got an instructor who hopped in. Steven, meet Wes.
Hey, Steve.
All right, we're gonna head out. Yeah, we'll see.
This is a serious car. I love it.
Yeah, it's a serious car.
I'm running a white E36.
Cool. No, I'm open to any feedback you got. We'll do a little cruise lap to nobody coming.
You running slicks?
Yeah, I'm on Slicks Hoosier R7s.
Okay.
You mind turning up the volume on my intercom there?
How's that?
Yeah, as much as you can give me.
How are you doing now?
Yeah, that's enough. There we go. Can you hear me?
Yep.
All right. How do you like it?
Sounds great.
Yeah, it sounds good. Still getting tires warmed up there.
Never seen a gauge that displays horsepower.
Oh yeah, you can hit the center button there and it'll show you both torque and horsepower.
That's crazy. I like to dive bomb that turn.
Okay.
Trail brake all the way, like almost to the apex. It's a lot less distance traveled.
Yeah.
You got tons of run out on the track out, so
Yeah.
you can carry it out. The car makes double the horsepower mine does.
Yeah. And I've got a boot mod 3 that I haven't gotten on, but it makes 550 to the wheel once I get that going.
Turn in a little bit earlier there. Those curves are real friendly.
Man, this Mini right here is dangerous.
Yes, terrible. This is intermediate 1. You should be an intermediate 2. Turn in just before the cone. Yeah, a little early. That one was a little bit too early. So in between there. That's early.
Yeah. You know, when we do the track walk, they always tell us how much more.
Yep. Stay out there. Now get it in. You want to go out farther, and that'll get you more exit speed. That was good. right in here. Get right up. Right off the track. Runs out of fuel and just misfires. It was heads up where to get off the track. Good job with that. I lost communication, but there's definitely a couple spots where you could make up, you could knock out some time for sure if you wanted to. I love this car though. It grips the road amazingly. But yeah, great driving, man.